In a world constantly buzzing with notifications and endless scrolling, remember the simple joy of just connecting. Today, we are taking a look at the HMD 130 Music, a phone that's more than just a device. It's a breath of fresh air, a pocket full of nostalgia, and your ticket to digital detox. This isn't your average smartphone. The HMD 130 Music is designed for pure, unadulterated communication and entertainment without the digital clutter, and that too only for Rs 1899. Let's dive in. क्या आप भी कभी-कभी नोटिफिकेशन से परेशान हो जाते हैं? When you just want to throw your phone to have a few hours of that peace that you have been craving for, या फिर आप रिग्रेट करते हैं उस लॉस्ट टाइम को जो आपने रील्स देखते हुए निकाल दिया. I still remember the days when the phones were just for calls and maybe a little music. The HMD 130 Music taps into that feeling. It's a nod to a simpler time, a reliable companion that focuses on the essentials. Feel the satisfying click of the buttons, the comfortable grip in your hand. This isn't about the latest apps or endless feeds. It's about genuine connection and enjoying the moment. It's about the nostalgia of a dedicated music player and the freedom of a device that doesn't demand your constant attention. As the name suggests, music is at the core of HMD 130 Music. With its built-in MP3 player, dedicated music controls, and expandable storage via micro SD card, you can carry your favorite tunes wherever you go. Tune into the FM radio for local hits and news. The powerful 2-watt speaker lets you share your music with friends, or you can enjoy it out loud. It's your personal jukebox, always ready to play the soundtrack to your day. In our hyper-connected world, taking a break from digital noise is more important than ever. The HMD 130 Music offers a refreshing digital detox. It allows you to stay connected with calls and texts, but without the constant barrage of social media, emails, and app notifications. Reclaim your focus, be present in the moment, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with disconnecting from digital overload. That's what HMD 130 Music is all about. Here is an advice. Use it as a weekend phone, or a travel companion, or simply as your everyday device to prioritize real-life interactions. Now coming to features of this phone, beyond music and simplicity, the HMD 130 Music offers a reliable battery life and a durable design. It's a dependable phone that gets the job done without the distractions. The HMD 130 Music isn't trying to replace your smartphone. It's offering an alternative, a chance to tune into what really matters, to rediscover the joy of simple communication and the power of switching off. It's a phone that understands that sometimes less truly is more. So there you have it. Are you going to buy this phone? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech videos like these.